Saturday afternoon. It's not bad after a lot of rain last week and some cold weather. Jobs that we want to get done, maybe not all today, but what we're planning to do is clear out the greenhouse of all its old tomato plants. And the onions in the boxes at the end will be going home.
They're going in the summer house, aren't they? Because it's a bit drier.
Yep. And then all the canes from the runner beans and climbing French beans are coming in the greenhouse for a bit of winter protection. That's another job, isn't it, we've to do?
Yeah, take some of the top growth out of the quince.
The dahlias survived that frost, didn't they? Or that 1.6 degrees C.
Not sure. There's many flowers, aren't there? There's one or two.
There's one or two that will be all right on there.
I'll pick some before we go home.
Yeah. The other thing that we're going to do is chop down the sweet corn. We tried some of the cobs during the week and
it was tasteless, wasn't it?
Certainly was. So
just not homegrown sweet corn.
No, they're going to get the chop and head to the compost heap.
We did wonder whether lack of sunshine hadn't converted the starch, didn't we?
Bit technical that though. If we swing round here, these are the runner beans and climbing French beans that we're going to pull up, get canes under cover to give them at least a little bit of protection over winter. I'm guessing we could do the sweet peas as well, couldn't we? But I think we'll get
I think the sweet peas could have been done a while ago because they're another crop that have been disappointing.
Yeah. I wander over then to the other side. Looks like there might still be some beans on here.
Yeah. Some are a bit chunky.
They are, maybe a bit past it. Yeah.
There's some, look there.
Yeah.
Some little ones in there.
Yeah. Yeah, still some that's okay on there, isn't there?
Just pick some young ones.
Yeah. And we've arrived at the other beans that are ready for pulling up, composting, and the canes can go in the greenhouse for winter.
The ones at either end have really gone, haven't they?
They have, yeah. There's nothing much left to pull up, is there?
Yeah.
And get on with those, then, eh?
Yeah. With the sweet corn, there's some more sweet corn to pull up as well.
Yeah, there is, yeah. Right, we'll make a start.
Yeah.
We've actually got most of the jobs done that we meant to do today, haven't we? Which is
a bit
of a surprise to me, to be honest. I thought we were maybe being a bit ambitious.
It was when we considered how long it took to get those beam frames down.
Yeah.
Because with the string being wet, it had tightened right up, hadn't it?
Yeah.
And it was difficult
to
cut it off.
We've hacked down sweet corn. That's now chopped up and on the compost heap.
We did have some cobs on, but as far as we're concerned...
The last few were what we tried were tasteless, so don't see any point trying any more. You've got a few dahlias, haven't you?
I have, yeah. Mainly the orange ones. The red ones are a bit battered.
Yeah.
I think these pom-poms stand up to the weather a bit better.
Yeah. And the runner beans and climbing French beans have joined the sweet corn. And
you've seen the little self-seeded poppy?
Yeah. We took pity on it. It's been left. So if we get some decent weather, the plan is we'll get these beds dug over, but if it stays as wet as it has been, they'll probably get left until spring.
I think if it doesn't do much more rain, we should get some dug over, shouldn't we?
Should do. Are we having a wander over to the other side one
We
way or
didn't
another?
manage to clear the sweet peas, did we?
No, that was never going to happen really today, was it?
Probably
I'm not too bothered about those because those hazel poles probably don't do another year anyway. They just go too brittle.
The poles might be all right. It's the twiggy bits that go.
Yeah, the poles do as well. It's a bit of a worry when you're pushing them in the ground and they're a bit brittle. I expect them to just crack. So the grow bags are out of the greenhouse, aren't they?
Yeah.
And we've actually
Yeah.
taken the batch number on the grow bags, and you said it was the same
The
for all
batch
of them.
number's the same on every grow bag. The ones that grew all right and the ones that didn't. So it's
So batch number's meaningless.
that's right. I picked some.
Some of
French
these
beans.
French beans, yeah.
They're not going to last for much longer.
Well, no, but it's all been a bonus. I mean, we've had enough to
Yeah,
freeze,
we've had
haven't we?
Quite a few,
Which I wouldn't have thought was going to happen.
and they
but
really are quite tasty, aren't they?
yeah, yeah.
And they followed on from the climbing ones.
Yeah, not that the climbing ones had finished, they were just getting a bit on the tough side, weren't they?
And they made a change, having some nice little beans.
It did. So on this side, we've cleared away the climbing French beans that were there. They're all now in the compost heap.
It all looks a bit sad, doesn't it?
It does, is like, if we wander down here now and then turn round and look at the allotment, then you can see that the vast majority of it is now all cleared.
These seeds are still managing to survive the
Yeah, they're
slugs.
doing all right, aren't they?
Usually the calendulas are the ones that the slugs
Yeah.
eat.
We've also picked the last of our Clapton cauliflowers. Bit sad. Don't know when
Yeah.
we'll next. Oh, there's some cauliflowers over there, but I don't know what they're doing.
No.
Save that for another day now. We've had to extend our woodland path. The bit of path here was getting very muddy and slippery, so a bit of wood chip solves that. Then
I don't think. You see the peas there?
yeah,
I don't think they're actually going to.
no, they're
Get
not going to
anything.
produce. I think
They've got some pods, but I think this winter's just this winter.
winter. Yeah, that's
this
it.
weather has just
Finished
stopped them
any
and they're
chance at
starting
all.
to get a bit of mildew.
Yeah,
And we've cleared the sweet corn over
we have.
behind the buddleias, haven't we?
Yeah.
But there's not much to see there.
No,
The courgettes are starting to look shabby, but I've managed to pick a few baby ones because I don't think they'll last to grow into anything much bigger.
still got a lovely little bunch of cyclamen.
There's some pink in them there,
Yeah.
look.
Yeah,
And one there. These grow everywhere, don't they?
they do. We
pop
just
up
find
all
little
over.
bunches coming up where we don't expect them to.
And in the garden.
Yeah. Right, harvest time then.
It's one advantage of having so many ants.
So we're taking boxes of onions back because they've been getting a bit on the damp side in the shed here. So we're going to take them home and put them in the summer house. That's the plan. If it's fine tomorrow, I'll show you why that might not be quite so simple. And as for today's harvest, that's in this box. So a few dahlias and some cornflowers.
No, they're not. The cosmos.
Cosmos, yeah. I've dug a few more carrots.
Wonky carrots.
Wonky carrots, very wonky carrots.
When you think of what the supermarkets sell as wonky
I
carrots,
know, they're
they
perfect.
don't know what wonky means, do they?
Some tiny courgettes, but should be all right. Tomatoes are what were left because the greenhouse has been cleared. In fact, we didn't show that the greenhouse has
Maybe
been
we should
cleared.
after we've done this.
Yeah. A few more spring onions, which are going really well.
We're going to put some in the greenhouse, aren't we?
Yeah. The safari French beans. And the last of the cauliflowers, which is looking a bit manky on one side, but
Starting to get a bit pinkish. That's
Yeah.
the cold, isn't it?
no, they just go pinky, do Claptons, once they get in sort of, they just seem to age pink, but
So do you think something's nibbled it
yeah, I
there?
think that's where the slugs have had a go at it. But one side will be okay, won't
Yeah,
it?
plenty of that,
Yeah.
plenty of it
So
there.
we'll just finish off with then a quick look inside the greenhouse. So this will become more storage than greenhouse through winter. All the canes for the runner beans and climbing French beans, and all the supports for blueberry netting now are all down that side.
We do put tubs of potatoes
Yeah,
in
so
here, don't we?
we're going to put in some spring onions and anything else we can think of in tubs. We might actually have some lettuce plants that we can plant up and see
Well,
how
we've
they
got
go.
some spring onions that are growing, just starting to grow in tubs,
so,
and they
so
could
they'll come in, and then
to
next spring
finish off.
will be potatoes. We'll fill all these green tubs up with some early potatoes.
Yeah.
So I think that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.
Bye bye.